If you want to count steps on a Samsung Galaxy A36 5G, you will have to start by clicking and holding on the empty space in the home screen. Then you have to go into widgets. And right now you will have to get this Samsung Health widget. So it will be available here. Tap on it once. And now pick one of the following widget. In my case, I would like to get this one. So I'm gonna tap on it once. I'm gonna click add. And now you can put it wherever you want. You can also make it bigger or smaller, depends of your preferences. Then click outside to finish. And as you can see here, we can find our steps counter for every day. And when you tap on it, you will be redirected into the Samsung Health, where you can also track your steps and other active time. Of course, to use this feature, you will have to set up the Samsung Health application. So if you don't have the Samsung Health application as default, you can download it by using Google Play Store or, for example, Galaxy Store. You will have to log in and input all of your data.